Year 7, Japanese Speaking Test 1. You will have an interview with your sensei and will be asked to show that you can do the following. Say someone else's name in Japanese. For example, what must you call a boy named Akira? How about a girl named Yoko?
In this test, we're going to assume that Akira is a teenage boy, so we would call him Akira-kun, and we would call the girl Yoko-san.
Greet someone at different times: morning, daytime, evening. How do you say good morning? What about hello or good afternoon? How do you say good evening?
To say good morning in Japanese, we say Ohayo gozaimasu. If it was the daytime or the afternoon, we would say konnichiwa. And if it was the evening and we were meeting somebody, maybe after dinner, something like that, we would say konbanwa.
Bid farewell, day, night, to friends. How do you say goodbye politely? What would you say if you were going to bed and saying good night? What do friends say when they casually say goodbye to each other?
When we say goodbye politely in Japanese, that would be to a teacher or an adult, we would say sayonara. If it was going to bed and we were saying good night, that would be o yasumi nasai. And if it was friends just casually saying goodbye to each other, like see you later, that would be ja mata ne.
Say excuse me or sorry.
To say sorry or pardon or excuse me in Japanese, you would say sumimasen.
Say thank you.
To say thank you in Japanese, you would say arigato.
Say your name. You need to say I am in Japanese and insert your name.
If I was saying my name in Japanese, I would say Michelle des. But if I didn't remember how to say Michelle in a Japanese way, just saying Michelle des would also be fine for this test.
Give basic classroom instructions in Japanese. As one example, how would you tell someone to sit down, please? How about telling them to please look?
If you were telling someone to sit down in Japanese, you would say suwatte kudasai. If you were telling someone to please look, you would say mite kudasai. And you also have to know the other ones, such as please stand up, tatte kudasai. Please listen, kiite kudasai. Please be quiet, shizuka ni shite kudasai. Please put up your hand, te o agete kudasai. And the last one is please write, kaite kudasai. These are the words and phrases that you need to know for the Japanese test. Start with the ones you know the best and then add to it. Ready? Here goes. San, kun, ohayo gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa, sayonara, o yasumi nasai. Ja mata ne, sumimasen, arigato, お名前は your name with です。立ってください。座ってください。見てください。聞いてください。静かにしてください。手を上げてください。書いてください。